Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Beauty, and this is one of my new series on my channel where I just try to make jewelry or anything crafty. And if you're already been to my channel, then welcome back. And just doing a tutorial on how to tie a elastic band or elastic bracelet. Sorry. I'm using the 1mm crystal tech that I got from Amazon. I'll put the link to the buyer if I can find it, because this is actually a while ago. I'm not sure if I'll be able to still find it. But the seller, I remember the name of the seller, and I'll just put the link to the seller's shop in the description box below. And anyways, all this stuff that I'm using is the same stuff that I used for the previous video, the dangled earrings that I uploaded. If you haven't seen that video, then check it up here. That was a very quick and simple video, because the items actually came with a lot of like earring like equipment or earring tools to make, so you can make dangled earring if you want. But I wanted to make elastic band, elastic bracelet with this, so that's what I'm going to show you. The main reason I'm making this video is just to show you how I tie the elastic bracelet so that it doesn't come loose. Like, you need to tie it really tight, and just stay tuned. I'll show you how I do it. So I'm about to finish up with the bracelet. I'm just measuring out how long or how wide the bracelet is going to be. The best way to do this is to actually get a string and measure your wrist, and then get a ruler and measure out how long the wrist is, and then you can then make your elastic bracelet that length, and then you know that it won't be too tight. But I didn't want to look for a ruler, so I decided to just wrap it around my waist and kind of tie it and see where how many more beads do I need to add for it to be comfortable and not too tight on my wrist. And that's basically what I did. If you want to do it the easier way, I recommend getting a ruler, so you don't make any mistakes. But yeah, if you want to do it this way, you can do it this way as well. Here I'm just sticking up my finger and I'm saying that I'm going to tie this 4 times. And the first one that you're going to do is you're going to tie it. You can't tie it too tight, because when I try to do that, it just kind of goes all over the place. So tie it enough that it will come loose, so that you could tie it a second time. And then when you tie it the second time, that's when you try and pull it hard. You pull it hard, not too hard so you don't snap it, but hard enough. But don't be too scared to pull it. Just pull it. And the third one, you pull it harder than you pulled the second one, and the fourth one the same thing. You just pull it, and don't be afraid. This is a 1mm string, so it's not going to actually break. This is pretty sturdy. If you have like a 0.5mm, maybe instead of just using one string, you should use two. But still, it should be fine. Just pull it, and this is the last one, and just pull it really hard so that it won't be like too difficult to place on your wrist when you put it on, and you won't be too worried that it's just gonna snap and come off. And then I'm just gonna cut at the end strings, and then the bracelet. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video or whatever. Bye.